Hey, what's happening, everyone? Today is October the 24th, 2021. Look at Shiba Inu. Take a look at this particular price move going on right now in Shiba Inu. The price is almost up 30% on the day, and you guys can even tell that it went against our last price prediction. I'm not going to hide it. We didn't get it correct, and I'm going to show you how we could have known that the price in Shiba Inu, instead of going down, it was going to go up. I'm going to talk about that, and then we're going to try to answer the question, can we see Shiba Inu explode another 1,000% in gains? Because obviously the demand is still here in the market in Shiba Inu. So we want to see if that's possible, because if so, don't you want to be in position so that you all can capitalize on that 1,000%? So we're going to talk about that as well. So before I get started in any of that, make sure keep it locked in here, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel, because what we do here on this channel is we do price predictions without being confused. We don't talk about technical indicators. We don't talk about any fundamental analysis. We simply look at what everyone else is doing based on the price bars and the volume to see where we're going to go. So make sure you guys keep it locked in right here. Now, first, let me show you that we did our last price prediction in Shiba Inu right here on October the 18th, right? And we was playing the weakness into the market because we said that as long as Shiba Inu does not break above this 300th of a thousandth of a penny, that we're not going to expect the price to go up. But take a look at what happened following our video. So this is a teachable moment right here. You guys can see that as we were seeing restriction in Shiba Inu following on October the 19th, the 20th, the 21st, even on the 22nd, the market was still hugging that restriction area. Like, we were still trading real close to that restriction line that I got drawn on my chart. That was a big indication that the market wasn't trying to go down. So as time went on, following our initial price prediction, we should have seen and said, okay, hold on, what's going on in the market? Why isn't the price in Shiba Inu dropping? It's simple. The demand was definitely overpowering those who was trying to sell Shiba Inu. And then right here, following that consolidation of trading days, the market on October 23rd broke out of that restriction line. That right there was the confirmation that we're going to continue to see the price go up. It's just that simple, right? So now we're seeing the market in Shiba Inu trade up there around 400ths of a thousand of a penny. Can we see it continue to go up? Let's try to answer that question now. So if you guys didn't get out right here at our restriction point right here, which is around 14.25%, if we were to get out right now, we'd be down about 61%. Okay, that's pretty big, but it happens, which is why we have plans in place to understand what the market is going to do. So let me go ahead and get rid of this, because I really want us to see, can we still see this trend in the Shiba Inu, right? So since we broke this restriction area right here at 300ths of a penny, we need to see where's the next area, right? And we don't have that much information here on the Binance exchange. The ultimate high for Shiba Inu is all the way up here from when it first listed on this exchange, right? Now, that's around 500ths of a penny for Shiba Inu. So I'm going to extend this up here now, because at least with all of the demand that is coming into Shiba Inu right now, that is definitely something that is on the table for us to see come to fruition. We can see the market in Shiba Inu hit 500ths of a thousand of a penny up there. So what we're going to do is we're going to simply follow the market. Okay, so now we're on track to continue to see this market in Shiba Inu go up. Now let's see where that 1,000% gain is at. All right, so let me show you all that real quick. Okay, take it all the way up there to 1,000 of a penny. Let's see. So that would take the market in Shiba Inu all the way up here towards 10,000ths of a penny, 10,000ths of a penny right there. Okay, now a lot of people are trying to see the market in Shiba Inu hit a full penny, right? We are so far away from that. Look how far this market in Shiba Inu will have to increase in price just for us to hit 1 penny. Look at this. 22,000, almost 23,000% for us to see the market in Shiba Inu hit that. 23,000% gain. Now that would be extremely out the norm for us to see the price hit a penny. But given that this is a cryptocurrency space, I'm not going to say that it's not possible, right? I'm going to keep the option open, even though it's going to be slim. Slim to none is where I'm sitting in the camp right now to see Shiba Inu hit 1 penny. All right, so let's get back to this though. Okay, so looking at the market in Shiba Inu at 1,000%, which given the current demand into this market, we can see it definitely come into fruition. We can see it come down here again, right here, 4 10,000ths of a penny. We can see that 4 10,000ths of a penny is 1,000% gain in Shiba Inu. That's possible, right? So let me take this back over to where we at. Okay, now we got a very long way to go for us to see the market in Shiba Inu hit that 1,000% gain, but it's doable. It's possible. I mean, look at the demand that is coming to the market right now in Shiba Inu. Now, from our perspective though, right, we're going to stair step our way. We're not going to be automatically and tell you that our expectations is for Shiba Inu to go that far. I'm not going to do that. We're going to track the market, and the current area that we can see this market in Shiba Inu get rejected is right there around 500ths of a penny. That's where we're at. So if anything, we can still see the price in Shiba Inu hit that spot, which is another 14.5% away from where the market currently is. That is very doable. And we're going to continue to expect the market in Shiba Inu to go up as long as the market continues to trade up, one, above our ascending line, right? It has to continue to trade above our ascending line in order for us to have the prospect of the market in Shiba Inu to go up. Okay. And two, we got to maintain this breakage above that 300ths of a penny right there. As long as the market either holds ascending line trend, or two, we continue to trade above 300ths of a penny, I'm going to look for the market to go up in Shiba Inu. Now the demand is obviously here. Okay. And given what we have right now to the market in Shiba Inu, we're going to continue to play the strength here. Okay. So let's see if there's another market that we can actually get more information as of to where restriction is into this market. So you guys can see even here on KuCoin Exchange, we've already made all-time highs in Shiba Inu there. Let's see another one. Let's look at Polynex. Again, market is making all-time highs on the Polynex exchange. Let's look at HueFin. Again, all-time highs on this exchange too. So the only one that we really haven't made all-time highs on the exchange is on the Binance exchange. Let's look at the Binance USA exchange. And here it is again. Market is making all-time highs on the Binance US exchange. So I'm going to take it back over and we're going to continue to watch the market. It's pretty simple. As long as the market continues to follow the trend, we're going to go up in price. So that's going to be our expectation going forward into the market in Shiba Inu. Now, the question I want to ask you is, what is the percentage of probability of us seeing Shiba Inu increase 1,000%, right? That's 4 10,000ths of a penny move from where we are at right now. Can we still see the price in Shiba Inu hit that? And if so, give me a time frame. Are you looking forward to having it towards the end of this year? Beginning of 2022, 2023, like at what point would you expect the market to give us that 1,000% gain? Because for us, like I said, we're not going to predict that right now. We're just going to predict us looking for the market in Shiba Inu come to this 500ths of a penny move, which is around 14.5%. Now, as we continue to see the trend in the market trade and we continue to see the demand coming through, we're just going to continue to move up higher and higher in price and capitalize on each prediction that we do. Now, don't forget this, as we continue to see this market in Shiba Inu make these all-time highs, anywhere in this unfamiliar territory would have to be an opportunity for you to take the profit, because as soon as the market reacts and we come down to the all-time high spot, it's going to be massive. It's going to be a pretty big move to the downside. So I want to make sure I give you all that heads up as well too. But this is it. The demand is still in play. All right. So this is my thoughts. This is my expectation as to what I'm looking forward to into the market in Shiba Inu. I want you all to give me your expectations as well. So drop me a comment right now and tell me what is your expectations. It's just that simple. So hit me up. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.